everyone, my name is Achilles. I am studying grade 3 smart and talk about waterfall. A waterfall is placed in a river where water spills suddenly downward, are known for their beauty and heavy sun power. The world's tallest waterfalls, Angel in Venezuela, its water climbs 3,200 feet, 979 meters. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Abhishek. How a waterfall are created? Waterfall is created when the river bed changes suddenly from hot rock to soft rock, rippled or formed, where first following river quickly cuts downward through a bed of hard and soft rock, running to the soft rock and leaving the hard rock standing above the water surface. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. I am Dhruv Sharma from grade 3 Smart. I am going to talk about main features of a waterfall. Waterfalls is a river or other body of water stream fall over a rocky ledge into a plum pool below. Waterfalls are also called cascades. The process of erosion plays an important part in the formation of.
Hi, good morning to all. My name is Armonesti, third smart. Angel Falls in Venezuela in largest waterfall. On land is 3 times shorter than Denmark. State cataract Niagara Falls 2,000 times less water, even during peak force. Thank you.
I'm Balaram from third smart. What are the different types of waterfalls? There are 11 different types of waterfalls. There are plunge waterfalls, hostile waterfalls, fan waterfalls, punch bowl waterfalls, block waterfalls, tier waterfalls, segmental waterfalls, cascades, chute waterfalls, slide waterfalls, and ribbon waterfalls. Thank you.